Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel sfdcpractice.com. So guys, in this video I will explain how we can use our screen flow for the entire application. For example, like this is your application, this sales is your application, and for this application you want to make your flow available for all the tabs or all the detail page. Okay, so let's start. For that one, just go to the setup page and search for flow. So in this example, what I will do, I will create a new flow for case object and we will create the case with the help of flow. Okay. So just create a new flow and search screen flow, create and click on this plus icon and select screen and just give the name of your screen like create new case. Okay. And now just add some fields here like text for subject line and give the name as like subject. Okay, and next one like description. For description also I will use the text and the label is like description. Okay, so here guys I also want to use the contact and the account lookup field as well, so I can relate my case with the contact and the account. So for that one I will use the choice lookup. Just drag this to this screen and here just give the name as like contact. Okay, so contact is already there, so I'll change this name to contact lookup. So for choice variable, I have created the contact choice set, so you can select this. Okay, and for account, again drag this to the screen and give the name as account. Okay, and for choice, just create a new choice and select the record choice set and give the name as account list. Okay, and here select account, and for condition all accounts should be visible, and for choice label I'll select the account name, and for data type text, and it will store the account ID. Okay, just click on done. So here I have created a subject description and the contact lookup and the account lookup field. Okay, so just click on this done button now and save your flow first. Let's say I'm giving the name as flow for utility bar. Okay, click save, and guys now I'm getting the values from user on this screen, and now I need to use these values to create a case record. Okay, so for that one click on this plus icon and select the element as create record. Okay, and just give the name as like create case API name. Okay, how many records to create? Only one, and create a record from these values. I'm selecting the case object. And now it's time to map the values with your case field. Okay, so for description we have a screen element that is description, and for subject we have subject, and for account ID we have account list, and for contact we have contact. Okay, so I have mapped all the fields, and now just click on this done button. And also I also want to show a message when this record has been created. Okay, so for that one I again make a screen and give the name as message. Okay, and in this screen I will show a message. So for that one, I drag the display text and give the name as message text, and just give the message like your record has been created successfully. Also, you can set the color of this message as well. For example, like I want to show a message in green, so I can select the color of my text as well. And let's say I want to make this as bold, so I can do this as well, and just click on this done button. And for this screen, I just want to make some changes. For example, this pause and previous button I want to hide. So hide pause and hide previous. And for this finish button, I want a custom label that is next. Okay, just click done. And for this one, I need to hide the pause button and the previous button as well. Okay, click save. Now just save this flow and click on this done debug button. So I, before activating this flow, I just want to debug this. Okay, just click on this run and give some values like this. I'm just putting some random values, and here you can see your contact list are there. Okay, so you can get your contacts are there, and you can select according to your need. For example, I want to create this record for Andy Young. Okay, and for account, for example, oh, so guys, here I think we have made a mistake. For account and contact, we are getting the same values, right? So let me check first. And for our screen, here we have the contact lookup and choices contact. And for account, yeah, we have make a mistake here. We need to select the account list here, not the contact. Okay, just click done and save this again and debug again, run. So this is a test. So now you can see for we are creating this case for Andy Young, and for account Gen Point, and click on this next, and you get the message like your record has been created successfully, and just click on this finish button. So guys, we are good with the flow, and now we can activate this. Okay, so I'm just going to activate this flow, and it's time to use that flow in our application. So for that one, what we need to do, we need to go to our setup page, and on the home tab search for app manager. Open this, and here you will get the list of your applications in Salesforce instance. Okay, so I'm just going to update the sales application for lightning experience, because this utility bar will not be available for your classic. Okay, so just edit this, and here you will get a option that is utility item for desktop only. Just click on this, and here this to-do list is there, and you just need to add one more, that is flow. So just click on this add utility item and search for flow and select this, and here you can see some fields like label. So you can change this label as well, like create case. Okay, and you can choose the width or the height. I'm leaving this width and height as by default. Okay, and for flow name, I will select which I have created just now, that is flow for utility bar. Okay, so now just click on the save button, and your changes has been saved. So what I need to do, and just go to this tab and open the sales application and just refresh this page. So in the bottom, you will get a flow that is create case, just, and you just have added this create case flow to your utility bar. Okay. and now you can create a case using this flow. Okay, so what I need to do is just click on this and you will get this pop-up, and just provide some values. For example, Jack Rogers and United Oil and Gas UK. Just click on the next button and finish. So you have done. Your case should be created. You can check, go to the case and all open cases. Okay, so here you can see I have created that case for Jack Joggers, and this case is here. You can also check the details here. Okay. So guys, what is the benefit of using the flow in your utility bar? Let's say you are switching to different tabs. Okay, for example, this opportunity or the leads or the task or the files or somewhere something else. Okay, on this application. So this utility bar will not go anywhere, and you can access your flow at this place. For example, like you are just going to create the case and you want some other information to check on your application. So you just open it and you can switch to the other tabs like this. Okay. So this is the beauty of using the flow in your utility bar. Okay. And you can access your flow for the entire application. You don't need to put your application on different detail pages or different places, right? For your application. And also there is one more benefit. For example, like you have entered two values and you just need to check some information for contact or account, and you, for example, you switch to the contact, you have checked information, and for account as well, and let's say you have just minimized this, and again you come to this flow, so your value will not go anywhere until you refresh this page. Okay, if I refresh this, so our detail also will erase. So that is the benefit of using this flow on your utility bar for your entire application. So guys, I hope you have enjoyed this video, and if you like this video, please like this, and if you have any questions related to Salesforce, please put your questions in the comment section. I will be happy to answer all of your questions related to Salesforce. And guys, if you haven't subscribed this channel, please subscribe this channel first and press the bell icon to get the real-time update for my next videos. So thank you very much for today. See you soon.